Very good morning, children. I am the Natarajan. I am the Kuchipudi dance teacher. I am going to teach Kuchipudi for you. I am the disciple of Padma Vibhushan, Dr. Vempatishan Satyam, and also Padma Shri, Dr. Nataraja Ramakrishna. Today I am going to teach Kuchipudi for you. Now I am going to tell about some introduction of the Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is the most ancient classical dance of Andhra Pradesh. The Kuchipudi dancers all are well versed in temple rituals, Agama Sastra, Natya Sastra, Rasa Sastra, Abhinaya Darpanam. The Kuchipudi solo dance is going to perform inside of the temple compound wall. And Kuchipudi, the ballets like Yakshagana, Ramayan, Mahabharat, Haravilas, etc., is going to perform outside of the temple compound wall. So today, in the Kuchipudi, there are first of all some Hastamudras, meaning and uses. After that, first of footwork, there are first of footwork, nearly 35 steps are there. Second of footwork, nearly 32 steps are there. And the single hands are going to call Asamyuta Hastas. Double hands are going to call Samyuta Hastas. The single hands all are nearly 28 single hands are there. The double hands are, there are 24 double hands are there. So, the Kuchipudi, if you want to perform on the dais, it means Arangetram, you have to perform nearly 10 items like Brahmanjali and Jatiswaram, Vandana, Dashavataram, Annamacharya Kirtana, Natesha Kautam, Ganesha Kautam, Ashtapadi, finally Tilana. You are going to perform on the dais nearly 1.5 hours. So, today I am going to teach mudras for you. Oh, first of all I want to say about the single hands. Single hands means Asamyuta Hastas. So, first one is Patak, Tripatak, Ardha Patak, Kartari Mukha, Mayura, Ardha Chandra, Arala, Sukatunda, Musti, Shikara, Kapitta, Katakamuka, Suchi, Chandrakala, Padmakosa, Sarpasirsha, Mrugasirsha, Simhamuka, Langula, Alapadma, Chatura, Brahmara, Hamsasaya, Hamsapaksha, Sandamsa, Mukula, Tamarachuda, Trishula. These all are single hands, 28 single hands. It is called Asamyuta Hastas. Now double hands or 24 double hands, it is called Samyuta Hastas. Like Anjali, Kapota, Karkata, Swastika, Dola, Pushpaputa, Vutsanga, Shivalinga, Katakavardhana, Kartari Swastika, Pasa, Kilaka, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Nagabandha, Garuda, Katva, Avahita. So, today I am going to teach only 10 mudras of meaning and uses. You have to learn only 10 mudras. 10 mudras means Patak, Tripatak, Ardhapatak, Kartari Mukha, Mayura, Ardhachandra, Arala, Sukatunda, Musti, Shikara. Up to Shikara, you have to learn. Now, what is the meaning of the Patak? The hand in which the thumb is bent to touch the fingers and the fingers are extended, it is called Patak. The uses. So, clouds, river, touching things, saying no, the police is going to tell the stop. If you did any mistake, one slap. Okay. Second one is the Tripatak. The hand of the Pataka hand is bent to the Tripatak. Pataka hand, ring finger is bent to touch the fingers. It is called Tripatak. Tripatak, it is uses crown and tree. It's full of flowers. And Ardhapatak, if the Tripataka hand, ring finger is bent, it is called Ardhapatak. Ardhapatak means Kartari Mukha. Like this, cutting, cutting, cutting. Kartari Mukha. After that, Kartari Mukha. If the Tripataka hand, you have to bend in, the tiny you have to bend, and ring finger and thumb you have to touch, the two fingers you have to melt it like this. It is called Kartari Mukha, scissor, cutting things, hair cutting, everything you have to use the scissor for Kartari Mukha, showing your eyeball movement like this. Kartari Mukha. After that, Mayura, the ring finger and the thumb touches together, other three fingers outspread, it is called Mayura. Mayura indicates peacock. Peacock, the feather, the peacock dance like this. Tat kasa gama pa, gama nisa ga gama tat kasa gama pa. Like this, peacock dance, you can use this peacock. After this, just combing the air. Like this, water falls. Mayura, Ardhachandra. If the Pataka hand, the thumb is outspread, it is called Ardhachandra. Ardhachandra means half moon. Like this. Half moon, the stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Like this half moon, Ardhachandra. Lord Shiva is having Ardhachandra, half moon. After that, if the Ardhachandra, the index finger you have to fold, it is called Arala. It is Arala called, you have to show your devil like this, devil, and drinking some water. After that Arala, ring finger is bent down, it is called Sukatunda. You can take the gun shooting and you have to shoot. Gun shooting like this. Sukatunda. After that, Musti. You have to show your strength. You have to show your power. You can box. And you have to carry one full bucket of water. One full bucket of water like this. Like this, you can use this Musti. The 10th one is the last, the Musti Shikara, the thumb is raised up. It is called Shikara. Shikara means thumbs up. Thumbs up. Right. I won the first prize like this. And if you want to show king of that, you can show this king Raja like this. Shikara. Now what I said that the first one is a Patak, Tripatak, Ardhapatak, Kartari Mukha, Mayura, Ardhachandra, Arala, Sukatunda, Musti, Shikara. Now how to do the obeisance? Obeisance means pranam. In Kuchipudi, pranam, how you have to do the pranam? First you have to put this Anjali and stretch your hands, full stretch like this. Elbow should be up and look at your right hand. And right leg one step, right leg forward, above top of the head like this. It means top of the head, you have to pranam to the God. In front of the face, you have to pranam to Guru and your parents. In front of the church, you have to pranam to audience and elders. Like this, one step forward, one, stretch your hand, and two, when it's going up, the left leg should close together, 3, 4. Okay? Then you have to touch the ground, then do the pranam. This is called Kuchipudi pranam. Now I am going to start the Kuchipudi. I am going to teach some 5 or 10 steps today. Tam Digi Digi Tai. First of all, what is the Tam Digi Digi Tai? Tam Digi Digi Tai means, first of all, footwork. You have to start with your right leg. Right leg, ta. Left leg, te. It means tam, digi, digi, te. Now I am going to do, you have to do, first of all, take your position, Aramandalam. Aramandalam, take your hands on your waist. Keep it like this. Then you have to start with your right leg. It is called tam, digi, digi, te. Tatta, hatta, te. Tam, digi, digi, te. Tatta, hatta, te. Every one of the step you have to do 3 columns. First one, second timing, third timing. Now first one you have to do tam, digi, digi, te. Tatta, hatta, te. Second one, tam, digi, digi, te. He, tatta, hatta, te. He. Third column, tam, digi, digi, te. Tatta, hatta, te, kida, daga, tam, digi, digi, te. So, leg movement over. Now how to do that hand movement? Put your this Kataka Mukha. You know Kataka Mukha. 2 hands like this. Elbow should be equal to your shoulders. Like this. And thumb means right leg, right hand. Te means left leg, left hand. You have to 1 and 2, 3 and 4. At the same moment, you have to move your neck also. Eyeball movement. 1, right side corner. 2, 3, 4. Tam, digi, digi, te. He. Tatta, hatta, te. He. Tam, digi, digi, te. He. Tatta, hatta, te. Like this. Now, leg movement, hand movement, and your face movement. Okay, you have to do the first one. First step, how? 1. Bend down, take a position, elbow up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Thumb, digi, digi, te. He, tatta, hatta, te. He, thumb, digi, digi, te. He, tatta, hatta, te. He. The leg should be the toe, you have to point like this. Got it? Now the second step. Got it? Now the second step, put your hands like this. Thumb, digi, digi, full stretch, and take your hand on your like this. Te. Same, left. Thumb, digi, digi, te, he. Now, leg movement, you have to see the leg movement. Same movement, you have to bend down like this. Now, thumb, digi, digi, te. He, tatta, hatta, te, he. You have to jump on your toes. Toes means like this. On your kunchitam, you have to tell the kunchita problem. So you have to jump 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4, up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, up. Now, hand movement. Hand movement and leg movement. Slowly I am doing. 1, 2. Then when you are stretching your left leg, stretch your 2 hands. And you have to look at your right hand. This right hand and this right leg, at a time you have to lift up and stay there. And same left. 1, 2, 3, full stretch. The right leg, opposite left. You have to look at your left hand and raise up, raise up, raise up, and look at your left hand and lift up your left leg. Again, one more time. How are they again? Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, thumb, digi, digi, te. Only you have to lift the leg. See, same step only. Thumb, digi digi tai. Tatta hatta tai. Tam digi digi tai. Tatta hatta tai. Lift your leg. After that, hand movement. See that one. Tam digi digi. This right hand stretch. Left hand you have to stretch. And look at your right hand. Same. Left. Palm. Digi digi. Tay. Look at your left hand. Again. Right. Palm. Digi digi. Tay. Tatta hatta tay. Tam. Digi digi. Tay. Tatta hatta tay. Now leg movement, hand movement, and neck movement. See there, 1, 2, 3, start. Tam, digi, digi, tay. Tatta, hatta, tay. Tam, digi, digi, tay. Tatta, hatta, tay. After that fourth step, you have to do that only leg movement, hand you have to put right hand down like this, 4 steps. How? First of all, put this right leg you have to lift up like this, up, and see this one, 1, drag your left, 2, 3, 4. Again, you have to look at my leg, watch my leg, I'm doing here. First of all, beat with right leg, 1, and left leg you have to drag, 2, right leg drag, 3, and 2 legs together. Look at down my legs. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? 1. Now you have to put your right hand down, left hand on your shoulder, on your waist, and look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little bit neck movement. You have to see the 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, see that 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb, tattai, they hit the they hidam, thumb, tattai, they hit the they hidam. After this step, it is very easy to learn. Put your hands like this and take the Aramandalam position and right leg up, take your toes, it is Kunchita Padam, like this, take this one and take your Suchi on your right hand, left hand, Musti, and catch it like this and raise up your hand and bend down. Only bend on your right side. Same, look at this one, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and bend on your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. See this one? 1, 2, 3 audience, 4 on your hands. And same left side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Same, so the fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same step, after the step and 5th, 6th step, you have to go for back, right leg back. See the right leg back, bend your body on your right side. 1 and see, look at down. 3 and 4. Left leg 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now look at the audience. 1 and 2 shoulder. 3 shoulder. 1 shoulder. 3, 4. After that, very simple step. After the step, you have to go back. See my leg, look it down. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 legs have to beat, 2, 3, 2 legs have to 4, 1, 2, thumb, tatte, 1, 2, tehi, tehi the thumb, tatte, they hit the thumb, tehi the thumb, tatte, they hit the thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same hand movement, raise up your hand movement like this, put up and bend down, take a position like this. See that one? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to look at straight only. This movement, no bending, only straight. And Aramandaram. Only you have to go back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? You have to learn these mudras and first of footwork up to 6 or 7 steps you have to learn, and mudras and meaning and uses. Next class I am going to start some item for you. Okay? For you, some very beautiful item I am going to start for you. You have to learn that also. Whenever you all are doing this Kuchipudi, you have to do the pranam. First of all, do the pranam. After the finishing of the item, you have to do pranam again. Is it clear now? Anyway, today the class is over. You have to do the pranam like this. 1, look at your right hand, right leg front, look at your right hand. When you are raising up your hands, the left leg should come front. Raise up your hand. Top of the head for God. In front of the head for Guru and your parents. In front of the chest, elders. Right? You see again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and touch the ground. Everybody touch the ground. 5 and 6, then 7. Thank you. Thank you very much.